Thakkar, somebody to whom we look to for her sharings on the topic of the day. She is the next to go. Namrata Thakkar is an entrepreneur's evangelist, operates a very powerful and robust ecosystem of 70,000 entrepreneurs called the Entrepreneurs Excel. Let us listen to what she has to say on the topic of the day, business integrity. Over to you, Namrata Thakkar.
Good evening, everyone. So integrity is caring for one words over and above our own interests. When you care and honoring your own word over taking care of your own personal interests. So there is no shortcut to integrity. One thing I've learned, and there are three types of business people or successful people is one of them. One is temporary successful people and third are unsuccessful people. So there are these three type of entrepreneurs which we have seen. And what is different is only the character of those entrepreneurs. So it is very difficult to measure integrity of person, but it is very easy to see when integrity is lacking. Like we see such a big companies with big vision and vision statements and with such great values, and when we see the main CEOs and directors not following that integrity, it is clearly seen. So that's how it goes to the employees and the clients and the suppliers. So it is important, and the best thing I learned, the best way to manifest integrity and how to grow integrity, like till today in my 25 years of career, no one has told me, okay, Namrata, send me the mail, you will do this work. They know that if Namrata has told me she'll come at 9, no matter what, she'll come at 9. Even if I'm 15 minutes late, I'll inform 15 minutes before that I'm running late, because we know at least by them. So that is what I've earned in this industry, that no one ever has told me, you have to send the mail, you send this, sign this document. So that is integrity for me. So the best way to manifest, most important way is that be loyal to those who are not present during what we talk. So automatically you will build trust with those who are, absent with you. So that's it. Thank you.
Now we will go to all the same members on what is that one statement that they like from the group of people at Business Opportunities Club, and they need to announce the name of the person who spoke that statement. Namrata Thakkar, to begin with what she liked as the single statement.
Today, as a single statement, my favorite was Rajesh Doshi, RD. So his statement of that synergy of thought, words, and action, wherever you focus, the energy goes, you get that. That was superb.